अनूठा तालमेल शायद पहले ही कभी देखा गया होगा। निश्चित रूप से आप इस स्वर संगम से तरंगित हुए होंगे। आज के इस कार्यक्रम में हमारे बीच एम्स के सहायक प्राध्यापक माननीय डॉक्टर अनिर्बन गांगुली सर उपस्थित हैं। उनका हृदय से मैं स्वागत और सम्मान करता हूं। अतः इस पावन वेला में मैं उन्हें मंच पर मुख्य रूप से आशीर्वचनों के लिए आमंत्रित करता हूं और आप आएं और मंच की शोभा बढ़ाएं। सर प्लीज।
रेवरेंड सेक्रेटरी महाराज, रेवरेंड प्रिंसिपल महाराज, our chief guest Sri Dipankar Chaudhary, to all parents and guardians who are present in this Vivekananda auditorium, and of course my very dear students, it's a great honor and pleasure for me to have the opportunity to present a few words on this auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day. As you all know that India has a very rich tradition of teachers and students, Guru Shishya Parampara, and I personally believe that the first teacher that we all have is our parents. So a big round of applause for all the parents who are present here. Because the parents, both your father and mother, they show the world to you. And next we have, of course, our teachers. You are very blessed to have such a good quality of teachers, and no doubt that RKM Vidyapeeth is among the top CBSE schools of the country, and we are very honored and privileged from AIMS Devghar to have you associated with us. Now Principal Maharaj ji told me that you give some motivations to the students, and I said, in the presence of such august gathering, I will be very humbled. How can I say? And then he said, you can share your personal experiences. As you all know that the popular saying that all power is within you and you can achieve anything and everything. And the fact which is quite exemplified by the tremendous performances we have seen so far, and we expect more. So the role of teacher is very, very important to harness the abilities within you. And I can recall few of my school teachers as well as teachers in the professional course. As Sri Chaudhary correctly pointed out, that you will gradually realize that when you leave school, that school life was the best part of your life. No hassles. Now you are all worried with exams, with competitive exams, with regular class exams. But believe me, once you leave school, that memory will remain, especially when you are blessed to have been part of such an esteemed institution as RKM Vidyapeeth. It's really a great experience for all of you. Now coming to my experiences, we had many great teachers. My schooling was partly in Lucknow till primary, followed by secondary and higher secondary schooling in a Christian missionary school named St. Lawrence. And there we had teachers who exemplified, who instilled the word discipline. And we had one famous teacher named Shri Lal Bahadur Singh, who was our Hindi teacher, who is no more with us. And he first elocuted the famous doha of Kabir Das, Guru Govind do khare kaake lagu paye, balihari Guru aapne jin Govindiyo bataye. And this person whom I am speaking, why have I named him singularly, is extraordinary feat. In St. Lawrence, he had 40 years of service. He was not absent. He had not taken leave for a single day. And this is something which is extraordinary. And the way he showed discipline at that age, at a very tender age, is how we try to emulate him in the field of discipline. Of course, academics is there. Next, I would like to give another experiment. I would not take long. You are all waiting for the program. Is my MD guide, Professor Shashank Chakravarti, who was the professor and head of biochemistry at IPGMER. Now he is very famous figure, internationally acclaimed. Forget about the students, even the faculties were very scared to go to him. And why I tell you this, as Sri Chaudhary narrated his incidents of his IPS training. During my MD days, when I first started, everyone was scared even to go near him, right? But I somehow managed to have the courage, because I had this training that if I am not doing something wrong, there is nothing to be afraid of. Now, we were having a very sophisticated cell culture and animal house, the laboratory techniques which you will learn if you take up biological science later in your career, and nobody was allowed to enter, and there was a particular set of experiment. Now you all know it is a household name, the RT-PCR. You did, all of you have done during COVID. So we do it also for a research purpose called the real-time PCR. Where we see gene expression. I think those who have biology in your +2 would appreciate my comment. Now, since the reagents were very expensive and MD students were not having any of the grants to access those reagents, but somehow Professor Chakravarti told me to do a particular set of real-time experiments. And in the lab, you can understand, you will understand more in your professional life that there is stiff competition among MD students, PhD students, all coveting the chemicals required to perform the experiment. Now, when I did the experiment, even though I had done once successfully, I kept on failing. Okay, I was not able to do. I was following all the steps. I was not able to get the correct result. And this happened for 3 times. And I think as students, as you can understand, that the reagents were very much limited. So you cannot go on keeping on trying. And I was very much scared from inside. I was just waiting for the moment when sir will call me and scold me. He was scolding all other people in the lab for different reasons. But somehow he never told me anything. He never scolded me. So at one fine day, I just declared kind of in the lab that if today I am not getting the results, I will quit doing real-time PCR. And actually I was not doing any mistake according to the protocol. There was a change of manufacturer, and there was a particular, all of you I think have seen the movie Harry Potter, yes? So when Harry was making the death potions, he had the Jacob's book for making the potion. So he had those additional points apart from the flow chart, if you can recall the movie. So I was just faltering in those additional points, and nobody knew in the lab because it was a manufacturer's process. And somehow, this was my initial MD days within the first 6 months. Somehow I was thinking all day and night before. If I have failed 3 times, what are the steps I am going, what are the mistakes I am doing? I could find none. I was exactly following the manufacturer's protocol. But somehow I thought and found a mistake in my mixing technique, which was not mentioned in the manual. And believe me, at 10 p.m. at night, SSKM, if you are from West Bengal, PG hospital, the department usually closes by 5 p.m. Not the hospital, the departments. So there I was waiting till 10 p.m. and finally I got the result. And at 10:30 p.m. almost, I reached sir's house. Imagine, these are not normal happenings because we do not go to the professor's house at 10:30. And somehow I was just elated, that eureka moment kind of thing. of course, I had my clothes on. But I went there and I showed the results, and sir told me one thing only, that I knew from the very beginning that you will be able to do it. And this is the quality of a teacher. There were 20 people in the lab, and what it did was it invoked a huge sense of expectation within me to develop and study molecular biology. And since then, whenever I open biochemistry, whenever I study, so molecular biology and molecular diagnostics are my favorite topics. And this is the direct influence of that event. Had he scolded me, I would have stopped after the second attempt. And these are the qualities a teacher finds in the pupil. And I am really indebted to him, and till now I am involved in doing the molecular diagnostics. So these events, starting from your parents, your school teachers, the effect of the factors which will shape your life. Life is not just about your academics, your degrees. It is much more difficult challenge. And it is these experiences that you experience during playing, during sharing, during doing anything for your friend. These are the experiences, believe me, of course your degree is important, your career is important, and I know at RK Vidyapit all of you are brilliant students. And this is exemplified by years of excellence, the results have been shown. But these experiences help you shape further. So, without much ado, I think you're all waiting for the drama. I just reiterate Swamiji's word that arise and awake and not stop until you reach your goal. Please remember your school life, cherish your moment. This is the best moment of your life. Thank you.